Hello, my favorite people in the whole world. Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Because of the cold weather, I want to put on something cozy and warm, which will warm not only my body but also soul. Today we will work with the comfortable jersey dress. For this we don't need a basic pattern, we will build a pattern from scratch. I will tell you what measurements we need for work and show you how to build the back of the dress. The dress will be flared, with an elastic waist, with seams in the center of the front and back, and puffy sleeves. That will be tightened with elastic band on the wrist. Let's take a very close look at the sketch. I want the dress to be comfortable. A pipe like this is created before reaching the neck. We need chest circumference 118, 1/2 59, a quarter 30, nearly 30. Waist circumference 92, 1/2 46, a quarter 23. Hip circumference 110, 1/2 55, a quarter 28. You do not need to count anything on a calculator. Write yourself right away all parameters using my table. Back width 42, 1/2 21, back length 41, sleeve length 60, dress length 70. We put the sketch aside. Now we need only measurements. We need to draw a straight line. Just repeat after me. I would like us to do all this together. I draw a line down. (41 cm) back length. Down from this point, we postpone 70 cm. You may have a completely different number here: 60, 63, 65, 80, 85. But I put aside 70 cm. This point of the bottom of the dress. We have 3 points: 0, waist level and bottom level. Now from 0 to waist, divide the segment in half. 41 is 20 with a half, point 1/2. From waist to bottom I have 70 and from waist to hips 17 centimeters. Right now look very carefully and try to remember. From waist to bottom I have 70 centimeters and from waist to hips, here I have 17 centimeters. I laid 10 to 12 millimeters along the waistline from point D, and immediately we built a concave back. The next step is to build a sprout. The width of the sprout is 7 and here 3. From the center of the bag we set aside 21 centimeter. Each of you will have your own measurement. 21, 21, we drew a line. We drew a line from the width of the bag. Now I will explain you one important thing. Because the dress should be with elastic, we will add a couple of centimeters. Look here. The circumference of the chest is 30 centimeters and we will take 33 centimeters. This is a quarter and circumference of the chest. I add another 3 centimeters to this point. Hips 28 centimeters. I add 3 more. Waist 23 plus 3. If you look carefully, it will not work. It doesn't look right, so I do it like this. Now we will have something to collect on an elastic band. Here 1 centimeter, but add 5 more millimeters and immediately draw the bottom of the dress. Please watch really carefully. From this point to the center of 31 centimeter, I put 31 on the bottom. If your dress is straight, then your bottom is ready. But this is not our case. We add 6 centimeters and here 6 centimeters. A straight line from the waistline. Raise the corners by 5 millimeters.
Миллиметров на 5, вот так вот, раз. Мы когда введем все цветным, я еще раз вам повторю. Так. Вот у нас линия.
Here is the point where the back line intersected with the sprout line. From the point of intersection along the tilt line, set aside 5 to 7 centimeters. This is our deflated shoulder. Attention to this point. We will make a lowered armhole by 5 centimeters. We connect this point with this one. We remove 5 to 6 millimeters from the height. Before starting to build the sleeve, I will circle everything with the marker.
Нет, не так.
Oh
Еще
my
же надо
god, I
построить
completely
вот так вот.
forgot. We need to build a collar.
Подушечки 3 по плечу откладываем. 3
From
сантиметра.
point
Теперь
3 on the
давайте
shoulder we set
подушечки
aside 3
соедините. И
centimeters.
через эту
And through
точку
this
вверх
point
параллельно
upwards, parallel to the center of the back from 0 upwards, we set aside 15 centimeters. Here we draw a straight line and the shoulder goes up.
плечевая. Плечо через вот близко вот к этой точке уходит наверх. И видите, что мы нарисовали 3,
Here
мы
was
будем рисовать
3, but we will take not 3.
Я сейчас скажу сколько.
To make the head fit, I take it on top 12. I'm sorry that I fixed everything, just watch me. This distance depends on the girth of the head. This line does not reach the highest point of the shoulder by 5.5 centimeters. Now we have not 3 but 5.5. But now I will outline with the red marker. But we haven't built the sleeve yet. I think that's enough for today, otherwise everything will mix in your heads.
Так.
You can see the back, and in the next video we will work with the sleeve. In the comments section, please write me your age. You know mine, and I think it's not fair that I don't know yours. I would like to get to know you better. So that's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!